Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create flip transition in a video on CapCut. So first you need to use a black image as the main video, and then add two overlay like this, two overlay video like this, and then click on the first overlay and then add a keyframe at the beginning of the first overlay and move forward and then zoom out the overlay like this. And then after that, in between the keyframes, go to grabs and then choose the ease out tree. Click on the check icon and then after that, go to animation, choose out, and then click on the flip, this one, and then click on the check icon, and here what it will look like. And then on the second overlay, click on that, go to animations and then choose the flip, this one. Click on the check icon. I'm going to mute the video first, and then after that, add a keyframe before the end of the overlay, okay, in this, and then after that, zoom out the overlay like this, and then add a keyframe at the end and zoom it in again like so. And then go in between the keyframes and click on the grabs and choose the ease in one. Click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay, I'm going to adjust the volume first, sorry about that. Okay, here is the result. Why? Okay, so that is how you can make a flip transition on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, click on the thanks below, leave a comment, and subscribe this channel. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.